Multithreading and concurrency patterns in Java. Multithreading in Java refers to the ability of a program to execute multiple threads simultaneously, allowing for parallel execution of tasks. Concurrency, on the other hand, refers to the ability of multiple threads to coordinate and synchronize their operations to ensure data consistency and avoid race conditions. Java threads and synchronization. In Java, threads are lightweight processes that can be created and managed by the JVM to execute tasks concurrently. Synchronization is a mechanism provided by Java to control the access of multiple threads to shared resources and avoid data inconsistencies. Concurrency patterns and best practices. Several concurrency patterns and best practices can help developers design robust and efficient multi-threaded applications in Java. Some of the common patterns include thread pools, executors, asynchronous programming, task scheduling, and parallel programming models. Dealing with deadlocks and race conditions. Deadlocks and race conditions are common pitfalls in multi-threaded programming that can lead to application crashes and data corruption. By understanding the root causes of deadlocks and race conditions, developers can employ techniques such as deadlock prevention, thread coordination, and synchronized data structures to mitigate these issues and ensure the reliability of their applications. Conclusion. In conclusion, multithreading and concurrency patterns in Java offer developers the tools and techniques to harness the power of parallelism and maximize the performance of their applications.